Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Turtle. A slow reptile with a hard yellow shell, moving gently on land and swimming smoothly in water. Iguana. A green lizard with a spiky back and long tail, often seen basking in the warm sun. Snake. A legless reptile that slithers quietly, using its forked tongue to sense the world around it. Crocodile. A fierce reptile with strong jaws and sharp teeth, living both in rivers and on land. Iguana. A calm herbivorous lizard with scaly skin and a dewlap, climbing trees and eating leaves. Lizard. A small, colorful reptile with quick legs, able to escape danger by hiding or dropping its tail. King cobra. The longest venomous snake in the world, raising its hood when it feels threatened. Gecko. A tiny lizard with sticky toes, able to climb walls and ceilings with ease. Turtle green shell. A cheerful turtle with a hard green shell, slow on land but graceful in water. Python. A large, non-venomous snake that squeezes its prey tightly before swallowing it whole. Snake. A slender reptile with smooth scales, some harmless and others venomous hunters. Alligator. A big reptile like the crocodile but with a wider snout, living in swamps and rivers. Chameleon. A unique lizard that changes its color, with eyes that move in different directions. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Ant. Ants are small social insects that live in colonies, building nests underground or in wood, and working together to gather food. Ladybug. Ladybugs are tiny beetles with red shells and black spots, known for eating garden pests like aphids and bringing good luck. Spider. Spiders are eight-legged arachnids that spin webs to trap prey, living in corners, bushes, or hidden outdoor spaces. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are soft, worm-like larvae of butterflies and moths that munch on leaves before transforming into adults. Moth. Moths are nocturnal insects with scaly wings that are attracted to light, often hiding in dark closets or garages. Wasp. Wasps are slender insects with stingers, building papery nests in trees or roofs, and playing roles in pollination and pest control. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful winged insects that sip nectar from flowers during the day, symbolizing transformation and beauty. Bee. Bees are fuzzy yellow and black insects that live in hives, pollinating plants while making honey and wax. Atlas moth. Atlas moths are one of the largest moth species, with wide patterned wings, often found in tropical forests and trees. Millipede. Millipedes are long, segmented creatures with many legs, living in soil, leaf piles, or under bark, feeding on decaying plants. Cockroach. Cockroaches are hardy insects with flat brown bodies, often hiding under sinks or in dark places, thriving almost anywhere. Beetle. Beetles are hard-shelled insects with shiny colors, found under rocks, in soil, or inside wood, making up the largest insect order. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are green-jumping insects with long legs, chirping sounds, and are usually seen in meadows, fields, or tall grass. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle, living in prides and known for their loud roars and golden manes. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats with orange coats and black stripes, powerful hunters that love water. Deer. Deer are gentle animals with antlers on males, swift runners often found in forests and grasslands. Leopard. Leopards are spotted big cats, excellent climbers that can carry prey up trees for safety. Wolf. Wolves live in packs, communicate through howls, and are known for their teamwork in hunting. Porcupine. Porcupines are rodents with sharp quills on their back, used as a defense against predators. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth with long necks, feeding on leaves high in the trees. Zebra. Zebras are wild horses with black and white stripes that help confuse predators when in herds. Monkey. Monkeys are playful, intelligent animals with long tails, often seen swinging from tree to tree. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are huge, thick-skinned animals with one or two horns on their nose, strong but calm grazers. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with trunks and tusks, famous for their memory and strength. Bear. Bears are large, furry animals that eat both plants and meat, and some species hibernate in winter. Mongoose. Mongooses are small, quick mammals famous for their bravery in fighting snakes. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Cow. Cows give us fresh milk every day and are calm farm animals. Goat. Goats are playful animals that climb easily and give us milk too. Horse. Horses run fast with strong legs and help people travel or work. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with big trunks and tusks. Kitten. Kittens are tiny cats with soft fur and playful, curious nature. Puppy. Puppies are cute baby dogs that love to play and wag their tails. Camel. Camels are desert animals with humps that store fat for energy. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy human voices and sounds. Hen. Hens lay eggs and cluck around the farmyard with soft feathers. Rabbit. Rabbits are gentle animals with long ears and love to hop. Dog. Dogs are loyal pets that protect homes and love to play with people. Llama. Llamas are fluffy animals from mountains that carry loads for people. Peacock. Peacocks have bright feathers and open their tails in a beautiful fan. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together.
Lionfish. Lionfish looks fancy with spiky fins like a lion's mane, but watch out, those spikes can sting. Goby. Goby is a tiny fish that loves to perch on rocks, always hopping around like it's playing. Moray eel. Moray eels hide in rocky holes with a scary smile, but they only snap when bothered. Guppy. Guppies are small, colorful fish that sparkle like living rainbows in aquariums. Koi. Koi are bright pond fish from Japan, often symbols of luck and happiness. Wahoo. Wahoos are super fast swimmers, racing through the ocean like silver rockets. Cod. Codfish are mild-tasting fish that people eat a lot, swimming slowly in cold seas. Haddock. Haddocks are cousins of cod, known for their tasty meat and dark shoulder mark. Pollock. Pollock are schooling fish that swim in big groups, often used in fish sticks kids love. Perch. Perch have spiky fins and golden green bodies, popular with kids who go fishing. Bass. Bass are strong freshwater fish, famous for jumping high when hooked by anglers. Drumfish. Drumfish make funny drumming sounds with their swim bladder, like musicians underwater.
Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. This is tiger. A powerful predator with orange fur and black stripes, known for strength and stealth in the wild. This is giraffe. The tallest land animal with a long neck and spotted coat, feeding mainly on tree leaves. This is bear. Large omnivores with thick fur, strong claws, and the ability to hibernate during winter. This is deer. Graceful herbivores with slender bodies and antlers on males, living in forests and grasslands. This is lion. Called the king of the jungle, lions live in prides and are famous for their golden mane and roar. This is porcupine. Small mammals covered with sharp quills used for defense against predators. This is panda. Black and white bear native to China, feeding mostly on bamboo and symbolizing peace. This is koala. Arboreal marsupials from Australia, sleeping up to 18 hours a day and eating eucalyptus leaves. This is chimpanzee. Intelligent primates sharing 98% of human DNA, known for tool use in social groups. This is fox. Small carnivores with orange fur and bushy tails, admired for cleverness and adaptability. This is tapir. Herbivorous mammals with a distinctive short trunk, living in forests and near rivers. This is squirrel. Agile rodents with bushy tails, known for climbing trees and storing nuts. This is wolf. Social predators living in packs, with strong teamwork and howling communication. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Ant. Ants are tiny but strong insects that can carry objects many times their own weight and live in organized colonies with a clear social structure. Ladybug. Ladybugs are small red beetles with black spots, known for eating harmful garden pests like aphids and being symbols of good luck. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful insects with delicate wings that undergo a complete metamorphosis from caterpillar to adult. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are green jumping insects with powerful back legs, often producing chirping sounds by rubbing their wings. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast-flying insects with two pairs of transparent wings and large eyes, often seen near ponds and rivers. Firefly. Fireflies are beetles that can produce light from their abdomen, glowing at night to attract mates or communicate. Wasp. Wasps are slender insects with yellow and black stripes, known for their sting and role in controlling other insect populations. Honeybee. Honeybees are social insects that live in hives, produce honey, and play a vital role in pollinating flowers and crops. Beetle. Beetles are insects with hard outer wings called elytra, coming in many shapes and sizes, living in forests, gardens, and soil. Rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetles are large beetles with a horn-like structure, incredibly strong and able to lift objects many times their weight. Praying mantis. Praying mantises are green insects with folded forearms, known for their excellent camouflage and hunting skills. Stick insect. Stick insects have long, thin bodies that resemble twigs, helping them blend perfectly with branches to avoid predators. Leaf insect. Leaf insects are masters of camouflage with leaf-like bodies and wings, making them nearly invisible in foliage. Spider. Spiders are arachnids with 8 legs, famous for spinning webs to catch prey, though some actively hunt instead. Scorpion. Scorpions are arachnids with pincers and a curved stinger tail, glowing under UV light and living in deserts or forests. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. This is salmon. Pink-fleshed fish that migrates from the ocean to rivers to spawn, rich in omega-3. This is tuna. Fast, powerful swimmer with a streamlined body, highly valued for sushi. This is mackerel. Small, oily fish with blue-silver stripes, rich in healthy fats. This is sardine. Tiny, silvery fish often canned, packed with calcium and vitamin D. This is anchovy. Very small fish with strong salty flavor, common in sauces and pizzas. This is trout. Freshwater fish with colorful spots, thrives in clean rivers and lakes. This is catfish. Bottom dweller with whisker-like barbels, common in freshwater. This is eel. Long snake-like fish with smooth skin, prized in Japanese cuisine. This is cod. Mild-flavored white fish with chin barbel, famous for fish and chips. This is haddock. Similar to cod, marked with a dark spot above the fin, often smoked. This is halibut. Large, flat fish with both eyes on one side, firm white flesh. This is snapper. Red or pink reef fish with firm texture, popular in tropical cooking. This is grouper. Reef-dwelling, heavy-bodied fish with big mouth, can grow very large. This is swordfish. Ocean predator with long bill, excellent and powerful swimmer. This is carp. Hardy freshwater fish with large scales, culturally important in Asia. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. This is dolphin. Playful and intelligent marine mammals, dolphins use echolocation to navigate and communicate with clicks and whistles. This is octopus. Known for incredible intelligence, the octopus can camouflage instantly and has 8 flexible arms with suction cups. This is sea turtle. Ancient ocean travelers with strong flippers, sea turtles migrate thousands of miles and are protected by hard shells. This is seahorse. Unique fish that swim upright, seahorses use their curled tails to grip objects, and males carry the babies. This is starfish. Star-shaped invertebrates that can regenerate lost arms and move slowly using tiny tube feet on their underside. This is clownfish. Bright orange with white stripes, clownfish live safely among stinging sea anemones thanks to a protective slime. This is hammerhead shark. Easily recognized by their hammer-shaped heads, giving them wide vision and better prey detection. This is stingray. Flat-bodied swimmers that glide along the seafloor, stingrays use their long tails with venomous spines for defense. This is jellyfish. Ancient, soft-bodied creatures that drift with ocean currents and capture prey with stinging tentacles. This is crab. Hard-shelled crustaceans with powerful pincers, crabs are famous for walking sideways on both land and sea. This is lobster. Large marine crustaceans with strong claws and long bodies, lobsters can even regrow lost limbs over time. Walrus. Massive Arctic animals with long tusks and thick blubber, walruses use their whiskers to find shellfish on the seabed. Squid. Fast cephalopods with long tentacles and a sharp beak, squids escape danger by squirting ink and jetting through water. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Starfish. A sea creature with 5 arms that can regrow if lost, and it lives without a brain or blood. Lobster. A strong crustacean that can live many years and regrow its claws or legs after injury. Seahorse. A tiny fish where the male carries eggs and gives birth to baby seahorses. Sea turtle. A long-living reptile that swims across oceans and always returns to the beach where it was born. Seal. A playful marine animal that can swim fast and hold its breath underwater for up to 30 minutes. Tuna fish. A powerful swimmer that can reach speeds over 70 kilometers per hour, traveling in large schools. Octopus. A smart animal with 3 hearts and blue blood that can change color to hide. Alligator. A reptile with very strong jaws, sharp teeth, and the ability to live for more than 35 years. Manatee. Also called the sea cow, it is gentle, slow-moving, and spends the day eating plants. Weedy sea dragon. A colorful fish with leaf-like fins that make it look like seaweed for protection.
Cat. Agile and curious, cats are excellent hunters with sharp senses and soft fur, often kept as beloved pets. Dog. Loyal and friendly, dogs are known as faithful companions and can be trained for guarding, herding, or helping people. Goat. Hardy and adaptable, goats provide milk, meat, and fiber, and can climb steep, rocky areas with ease. Buffalo. Strong and sturdy, buffalo are valuable farm animals often used for plowing fields and providing rich milk. Cow. Gentle and calm, cows are important livestock, producing milk, meat, and leather for daily human life. Sheep. Covered in thick wool, sheep are raised for wool, milk, and meat, and usually live in flocks. Donkey. Known for their endurance, donkeys are hard-working animals used for carrying loads and traveling rough paths. Horse. Fast and powerful, horses have served humans for transport, farming, and sports for thousands of years. Kitten. Playful and adorable, kittens are young cats that learn through curiosity and bring joy with their energy. Camel. Called the ship of the desert, camels can survive without water for long periods and carry heavy loads. Cock. Roosters are known for their loud crowing at dawn and their bright, colorful feathers. Hen. Hens are the main source of eggs and are often raised in farms and backyards around the world. Ox. Strong and patient, oxen are traditionally used in farming to pull plows and carts. Ostrich. The largest bird on Earth, ostriches cannot fly but can run at very high speeds. Elephant. Gentle giants with long trunks and tusks, elephants are intelligent animals and the largest land mammals.
Horse. Strong and fast, known for running gracefully across open fields. Dog. Loyal and friendly, often called man's best friend. Cat. Independent and curious, famous for agility and sharp senses. Goat. Hardy and playful, skilled at climbing steep rocky hills. Cow. Gentle and calm, provides milk and is a symbol of farm life. Sheep. Soft and woolly, valued for warm fleece and peaceful nature. Elephant. Large and wise with a long trunk and strong memory. Camel. Endures desert heat, stores fat in its humps for long journeys. Pig. Intelligent and social, known for adaptability and strong sense of smell. Rabbit. Fast and shy with long ears and a talent for quick digging. Yak. Sturdy and furry, thrives in cold high mountains. Rat. Small and clever, quick learners with great adaptability. Parrot. Brightly colored, famous for mimicking human speech. Ostrich. Largest bird, runs fast with long strong legs. Donkey. Hardworking and patient, known for carrying heavy loads. Clownfish. Clownfish dart among sea anemones, safe from stings that harm other fish. They live in pairs or small groups, sharing food and shelter in colorful coral reefs. Dolphin. Dolphins swim in playful pods, leaping through waves and using clicks and whistles to communicate. Intelligent and social, they often help each other hunt. Sea turtle. Sea turtles glide with strong flippers across vast oceans. They return to beaches to lay eggs, protected by tough shells from most predators. Octopus. Octopuses hide in rocky crevices, using 8 arms to explore and catch prey. Masters of camouflage, they escape danger by releasing clouds of ink. Blue tang. Blue tangs flash bright blue as they swim in coral reefs. They graze on algae, helping keep the reef healthy for other marine life. Starfish. Starfish cling to rocks and move slowly on tiny tube feet. They can regrow lost arms and feed by everting their stomachs over prey. Shark. Sharks glide powerfully through deep waters, guided by sharp senses. They are top predators, keeping ocean ecosystems in balance. Crab. Crabs scuttle sideways along the shore, using strong claws to feed and defend themselves. They hide under rocks during low tide. Jellyfish. Jellyfish drift with ocean currents, pulsing gently like living umbrellas. Their tentacles can sting, catching tiny prey in the water. Seahorse. Seahorses sway with seagrass, camouflaged from predators. Males carry eggs in a pouch until the young are ready to swim. Whale. Whales travel long ocean routes, breaching the surface to breathe and sing deep songs that carry for miles underwater. Stingray. Stingrays glide over sandy seabeds, flapping wing-like fins. They have venomous tails for defense and feed on shellfish and crustaceans. Lobster. Lobsters crawl along the ocean floor, using strong claws to catch food and protect themselves. They hide in rocky crevices. Angelfish. Angelfish shine in brilliant colors, darting among coral reefs. They feed on small invertebrates and algae, adding beauty to the reef. Pufferfish. Pufferfish inflate into spiny balls when threatened. Normally slow swimmers, they rely on this defense to deter predators. Squid. Squid jet swiftly through the water, using tentacles to grab prey. They can change color instantly and escape by shooting ink. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in borrowed shells, changing homes as they grow. They carry their shelters everywhere, hiding when threatened. Sea lion. Sea lions bask on rocky shores and swim gracefully in search of fish. They are playful and often gather in noisy groups. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish shift colors and patterns instantly, blending into surroundings. They are intelligent hunters, catching prey with quick tentacle strikes.